is the day.
Yep, this is the day that the Lord has made, that the Lord has made. Sing it out. I will rejoice. I will rejoice and be glad in it, and be glad in it.
I know it's kinda late, but happy birthday. I know you hate me. Well, I miss you too. I know it's kinda late, but happy birthday.
Hi mother, today's your day. So happy 50th birthday to you. And I wish you all the best in life and good health. So maiksi lang tong greetings ko sa'yo. So continue to be kind and a good person to everyone. So I hope na ma-enjoy mo yung birthday mo today. And take care and God bless you always. I love you. Bye. Mwah.
Hi buds, belated happy birthday. Belated na kasi birthday natin noong August 1. We are same birthday, but you're already 50. Stay strong, and I wish you all the best in life. Always good health, and God bless you. Take care. I love you.
Hi, Angel. Happy birthday. Hope your day will be filled with happiness, joy, and favor always. Have a good health. And thank you for being ate and being such a good sister way back 2022, because that's my first employment in Hong Kong. Thank you for leading me, especially to God, and thank you that many more person you draw near to God, and thank you for everything. Wala na akong ibang masabi kundi thank you once again. Happy birthday. And my verse for you is Proverbs 9:11. For through wisdom your days will be many, and years will be added to your life. That's my verse for you, ate. So thank you so much for everything. Hope we see you soon. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Now that you're close, I feel like coming undone in the middle of the night when I'm in this dream. It's like a million little stars spelling out your name. You gotta come on, say that we'll be together. Come on, oh.
Hi Ate Angel, how are you? Happy birthday. Masaya po ako na nakita kitang masaya dyan sa Hong Kong at patuloy na naglilingkod sa Panginoon. At ako'y naiiyak na. Miss na po kita. Dalangin ko po sa Panginoon na bigyan ka niya ng maraming taon pa, at sa pag-uwi mo dito sa Pilipinas, sana magkaka-baby ka na rin. Thank you po na nandyan ka palagi. Nung nandyan din ako sa Hong Kong, ikaw ang nagiging ate ko. Thank you, I miss you so much. I love you, Ate Angel. Bye-bye.
Hello, Inay. Happy 50th birthday. Wow, 50 years old ka na rin, Inay. Patanda na tayo ng patanda. Hindi. By the way, I pray that God will continue to give you peace and strength to keep going in life. Kasi araw-araw meron tayong nai-encounter na iba-ibang situation, problema. But I know God will always guard you, protect you, ano man ang haharapin mo. He will always be with you. Because that is His promise to you. And may God always give you good health. Kasi sa ating mga medyo may edad na nakagaya ko, malaking bagay sa atin ang good health. Pangalagaan mo lagi ang sarili mo, ingatan, wag laging ibang tao din ang iniintindi mo. Minsan, I know you love people around you, pero don't forget to love yourself, Inay. And I miss sipping coffee with you, Inay. Yan ang lagi kong namimiss sa'yo. And also, I want to take this opportunity na rin to thank you for being one of my nanay there. Salamat sa mga natutunan ko sa'yo. Not only in media aspect, pati na rin sa buhay. Marami ka din na share sa akin na gives me lesson at nagagamit ko araw-araw. Sana patuloy na pagkalooban ka pa ng Diyos ng mahabang buhay and more blessings to come in your way. I love you, Inay, and I miss you a lot. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi Ate Angel, happy 50th birthday and maraming salamat sa buhay mo na patuloy na nagpapagamit sa Panginoon. At dalangin ko nawa ang pagpapala niya ay patuloy niyang ibuhos sa'yo, deep and wide. At higit sa lahat, patuloy kang magpakalago at magpakalalim sa relasyon mo sa ating Diyos na buhay. Enjoy your day, and ngayong 50 ka na, ingatan niyo po ang inyong sarili, ang inyong kalusugan, dahil alam ko na marami pa pong ipagagawa ang Diyos sa iyo. God bless you and enjoy your day. From Samoy family, we love you and God bless you.
Happy birthday, Jeng. 50th birthday. Wala akong ibang masasabi sa'yo kundi just hold on the promises of God. He has a big plan for you. It is written in the Jeremiah 29:11. Alam kong may mga plano pa ang Panginoon sa iyo at gagamitin ka. Just hold on. Just don't stop believing on Him and don't stop praying on Him. And I know He will answer. He will answer your prayers. And I'm thankful for Him dahil isa ka sa mga answered prayer ko na hipuin ka niya. Now, I was so grateful. I am so blessed pala, hindi grateful. I am so blessed na naninilbihan ka na rin sa Panginoon. My dearest sister, 50 years old, even na gray na ang mga buhok natin, wag ka sadang magsawa na makinig sa mga salita ng Panginoon o mag-share sa mga salita ng Panginoon. Marami akong gustong sabihin sa'yo pero hahaba lang ito. Hahaba itong video na to. But I know God promises sa iyong buhay ay ibibigay niya as long as you believe, as long as you pray for Him, as long as you receive Him. As long as you ask for him, and I know he will bless you. Kaya nga sabi sa Matthew, tungkol naman dyan sa mga gray na buhok natin, don't worry about it. It is a biblical also. It's on Proverbs 16:31, kung hindi ako magkakamali. It's only a gray hair. But yung age natin, it's only a total of number. Ang mahalaga is we have to serve God sa abot ng ating makakaya. Habang buhay tayo, we have to serve God. At alam ko na may mga blessing na nag-aantay sa atin, nag-aantay sa'yo. What I mean is nag-aantay sa'yo dahil birthday mo nga pala. But anyway, hindi ko na patatagalin ito. Just say it, happy 50th birthday sa mahal kong kapatid. Wala na akong maliit na kapatid, kundi malaki na pala dahil you're already 50. Anyway, yeah, happy 50th birthday.
Hello anak, happy 50th birthday. Mag-ingat ka dyan at lahat ng mga kasamahan mo dapat kailangan love mo siya at wag kang hindi mag-attend dyan sa mga church niyo, sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng lakas ng katawan at saka I love you so much na.